What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is JB23 vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share on our overhauling of piston of main engine guys. So our main engine guys is Kobe diesel engine Mitsubishi. So the interval maintenance of this piston guys is 8,000 hours. So in every 8,000 hours guys, we have to overhaul the piston. So that includes also the stuffing box. We need to follow the instruction manuals guys. Everything is there. So before carrying out on this kind of maintenance guys, we have to comply all the checklist, the risk assessment, and of course for the immobilization permit that is issued from authority, and of course from our company. We have to administer our normal PMS guys for this kind of job, for this main engine guys. So this is main engine guys. We have to generate the immobilization permit so that we can carry out our maintenance guys. This is major overhauling in our main engine, so this is very important guys. This is the main engine major job. So what we did here is we have to, as you can see guys, we lower down the piston rings. So we check the condition before and after. So we measure everything, the piston ring groove, the cylinder liner calibration guys, and of course we change also all the piston rings, top ring, second, third, and the fourth ring, which is the oil ring. And of course guys, I will be sharing also on how I dismantle the stuffing boxes and how to properly arrange it and assemble. So as you can see guys, as you have seen the condition of our cylinder liner, the piston rings, it's normal guys. That means the carbon accumulation is slight only, and the piston rings is sharp but without any bars at the edge. It's shiny and oiled and wet. So all of these guys, all of these things that already dismantled, including the cylinder cover, we have to change everything. The sealing ring, the O-rings, we do the proper overhauling guys as per stated in the manual instructions. So as you can see guys, this is the cylinder cover and the exhaust valve. For the exhaust valve guys, it has the different running hours. So this exhaust valve is overhauled as per manual's instruction also guys, as per maintenance table. So as you can see guys, the carbon deposits on our piston crowns is normal. And here we come at the stuffing boxes. So at the stuffing boxes guys, when you overhaul piston guys, it should be overhauled also. We change all the O-rings, and we measure the sealing ring, the scraper rings, and also the springs. In my separate video guys, I will share on how I overhaul the stuffing box. So as you can see guys, all these things from cylinder heads, you have to decarbonize all, clean and inspect and measured properly. The piston crown top has to be measured guys, and all of these joints, gasket joints, has to be replaced with new. So all this guys has to be clean and overhauled properly, measured accurately in accordance with the instruction manual guys. So until here guys, I hope you learned something about this piston overhauling video guys. Thank you for watching. This is JB23 vlog. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye.